why my face is a bit darker than my neck. Here is the story. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I thought I will pop up with a Valentine inspired makeup look. I have seen recently on internet this look and I thought it would be really fun to recreate it. So if you want to see how I did it and which products I have used to recreate it, just stay tuned! If you are wondering why my face is a bit darker than my neck, here is the story. Like everybody, I wanted to try, I was really excited actually to try the new L'Oreal foundation, Infallible, Breathable, Oxygen, because I heard a lot of good things about it. And it happened that I've been in a store and I was swatching those shades, but even the lightest shade on my hand was looking a bit lighter. But one thing that I liked while I was testing it on my hand, it was the fact that it was setting on my skin. It's basically sinking on my skin. So this was making me think that it will be really good for my oily skin. So yes, I wanted to try it, but I was really surprised that on my local drugstores they had only 4 shades, and I know that in States this foundation has at least 25-30 shades, and the lightest shade they have brought here, it is called Vanilla. It's 120. It is equivalent of the vanilla that I've seen on the L'Oreal website. And if you are seeing here, actually on the shade range, you see how darker is this, and it's 6, 7, 8 shades from the lightest till the darker. So what is my point? In a country as Czech Republic, majority of people have my skin tone or even lighter than me, and you are thinking to bring one of the medium shades, like the lightest shade. Why you do that? Why you don't give us the chance to wear your stuff? Why they release so many shades in America and they are bringing here only 4 shades and all of them are medium, even medium to deep? So it's really amazing. But what I did, I was really clever that I've used a actual cap that I got from Sephora a while ago with another foundation, and I was taking from the sample bottle, so I put it here. So I will show you, or maybe I will show you on my hand how deep is that. So this is, ladies and gentlemen, the lightest shade of the L'Oreal 24/7 Oxygen Breathing something foundation they have brought to Czech Republic. I cannot say anymore. Even my It Cosmetics CC Plus cream, it's lighter. And this is the 3rd shade from their range. Even this, it's more lighter and more neutral. And one thing also I don't like about this vanilla shade, it is too yellow. I'm sorry for this introduction, but I just wanted to point out that sometimes even the bigger company are making some mistakes. This for me, it's a big marketing mistake. Next, I'm gonna take the eyeshadow palette from Too Faced called Just Peachy. It is a matte palette, really pretty. It has a lot of warm tones, and I will start to build my base. First I will use the shade called Peaches in Cream, and I will apply using a BH Cosmetics V5 blending brush. So this it will be our transition shade. I'm changing the brush and I will take a Freedom brush. It doesn't have a name or a number, but it's shorter than the BH Cosmetics one and has more firm bristles. And I will take the shade called Fresh Picked and I will blend this below the Peaches and Cream. that we just applied before. So I will define the crease area with this shade. Next I'm gonna take the shade called Chocolate Dipped, and I will intensify my outer corner with this shade using the same Freedom brush, but I will keep it a bit under the fresh picked that I have blended before. I'm changing the brush. Now I'm taking the Sephora All Over Shadow brush number 22, which is a flat brush, and I will dip it into the shade called Just Ripe. And with this I will go all over my entire lid. All the shades are matte. I don't like how my eyes are looking right now, so I will add a bit of the shade called Peach Sangria on the top of the Just Ripe. So this is a bit more reddish tone and has a bit of a satin finish. And maybe you are wondering why I'm doing such a dark look for the Valentine's Day, but you'll see very soon. Okay, I need a shimmery shade for my inner corner, so I'm going to take this highlighter from the IT Cosmetics Confidence in Your Glow face palette with a pencil brush from Zoeva. Actually this is 238 Lux Precise Shader. Going back to the BH Cosmetics brush, and I will blend a bit the edges, being sure that no harsh lines are presented anymore. And now for the star of the show, I will take the Quidco eyeliner. The shade is 415, and I'm going to draw the contour of a heart shape. It's not visible at all. I think I'm gonna need both hands. I will take the Urban Decay Razor Sharp Liquid Eyeliner, and the shade is Cuff. So it is a silvery shade. I'm waiting for it to dry, and it is vital not to blink, otherwise the whole look will be ruined. And while I'm staying like this, I want to tell you guys that I just received in my mail an invitation to a Urban Decay event that will have place on my local Sephora on 14th of February. So I'm thinking to go to this event. If you remember, I have been on a similar event, but it was for Chanel, and this was on Black Friday. So as Urban Decay is one of my favorite makeup brands, I think I'll be more than happy to go there. And also they will have 20% discount for all Urban Decay products, and I think they are launching some new more shades of the Vice lipsticks. So maybe I will also film a bit if I will go there. Okay, I hope this is dry. Yeah, it's dry, but it doesn't look so much like a heart shape. Okay, I'm gonna draw the heart now on the other eye, but I will do this out of camera because it's taking a long time. So finally I managed to do my left eye out of camera. Definitely my heart came out better on my left eye. And now I will add a mascara. I will skip the lashes. I was thinking to add some false lashes, but then I thought that if I'll add the lashes, then it will draw the attention from the star of the show, that are the hearts on the lid. So I will just skip this step. I will go with my Laura Mercier mascara. This is a really good mascara. I didn't like it when I used it first time, but now I think it's better. This is the Laura Mercier mascara, and this is how the wand looks like. On my lower line, I have done a mix of the shades Peaches and Cream and Fresh Picked, and at the end I added a continuous line with the Quidco pencil that I used to draw the contour of my heart. I have already bronzed up my face, and for this I've used the shade Peach Tea from this palette, which is this one. It's really nice and it's really working as a contour or bronzer. And now I will go with the shade Just Peachy, and I will add it as my blush. Ooh, this is quite pigmented when you apply it on your cheeks. I don't know how it's possible. So I will tone it down a bit with the shade Peaches and Cream. Next I will define my lips with the Drawer Cosmetics lip liner, which I want to finish this year. Actually, this is one of my items from the project pan. I already filmed this video, but it's not yet up because I had other videos to edit and upload. So this it will come after this. And I think it will come after the Look Fantastic beauty box, which I'm still waiting to arrive. And for the lipstick, I will also use one lipstick that it is in my project pan. And I have another reason for that I'm using this lipstick, and this is because this lipstick, it was a present for me on a Valentine's Day, and my husband made this present for me. This was my first high-end, very high-end lipstick. Before that I didn't have anything like this expensive in my collection, and of course any other NARS product. And of course we're talking about NARS Audacious in shade Anita, because it's an excellent product and it will be a real waste to throw it out. This is my perfect nude shade. I'm applying a Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe vera, chamomile and lavender. I have a huge bottle, and it will just help to melt all the face products that I have applied. I wish you all to have a wonderful Valentine's Day, to spend it together with your loved one. And I will see you on my next video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.